Hello children, welcome to the online class of science. So what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about a new concept from this lesson of force, work and energy. Today we will learn about work. Yes, you know, in previous parts we have learned about the force, right? We learned what is force and what are the types of force. We learned about the two types of force, right? So now today we will learn about work. So let us begin. See, when you see this picture, you see that they are pushing the things, right? Here you can see a, a girl or woman pushing a pram. Here a girl pushing a luggage. Here a man pushing a car. So means they are trying to move the things. They are using the force to move the things, you can say, right? And when you use the force to move the things, a work is done. Okay, that is called a work. Either you push or you pull. That is, you use the force to move the things, or work is done, right? So that you can call it as a work. See here. See. Here a man is sliding a book, right? Here a man is sliding a book. So you can say less energy is used, less work is done, less force is used, you can say. Okay, less force is done and less work is done. But in this picture, when you see a man is trying to push a table, okay, obviously the table is heavier than the book. So more force will be required. And so you can say that more work is done, right? So now you can say that when you use force to move things, you do work. Okay, so pushing or pulling, you use force by pushing or pulling and you move the things, and that is called a work. Okay, work done. Pushing or pulling a book is easy than the pushing or pulling a heavy table, right? So lighter things will need less force. Heavier things will need more force, right? Like when you use a force to move a table, it will need more force than moving a book. Okay, now you know, to do this work, to make this work easy, there are certain machines, you know, and machines make our work easy, as you very well know, right? If any machine is there, the the things will be done faster and easily. No, you will be able to do the work easily. Okay, or you can say certain tools are used to do the work, and that are known as machines. Now we are not talking about big machines, complicated machines. Okay, here we are only talking about simple machines. Now what are they? Okay, in your daily life you use this machine every time, every day. Okay, like when you cut your fingernails, right? When you cut the papers, you use scissors. Okay, you use nail cutters. Your mother uses knife to cut the vegetables. Okay, you use this hammer, small hammer, like in the house itself. If some nail is to be put, you use a hammer, small works. So all these are simple machines. Okay, these we use in our daily life. Okay, and they are different types. They are like lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. These are all the simple machines and we are going to learn about them. What is lever, what is pulley, all the simple machines we will learn with the examples, right? So see here, these are the examples of lever. Lever is a kind of simple machine that is used to cut the things. Okay, even to lift objects and open lids. You know, whenever you open your uh, the tomato sauce bottle or any juice bottle, okay, the soft drink bottle, you have to use the opener, okay, because it is sealed. So to open the seal, you use the uh, opener. To cut, you use scissors. This is a stapler. This is also one kind of machine. So all these machines are used so that it becomes easy for you to work. Okay. Now see here. Lever is also used to lift things. See now here. Look here. This here. Load means a thing is there. Okay, it is heavy. A girl cannot move it. So to make it easy, okay, she will need more force. Okay, but to make it easy, what she is using? She is using this rod. Okay, this rod, she has put it under the load and she is trying to move it. So it becomes easy to, you can say, to lift the things, right? So this is how a lever works. See here, another examples of lever. Here also, here it can cut the wires and all these things, okay, easily. Otherwise it will be difficult for us to cut, right? These are the bottle openers. With this you can open the seal of any bottle, right? So these are all the examples of lever, simple machine called lever, right? Another type of simple machine is called pulley. This is very common, you must have seen it many times, okay, and it consists of this wheel. Okay, see, this is a wheel, round wheel, and a rope. This is a rope. See, rope is around the wheel. Okay, so that when the wheel moves, the rope also moves, and when the rope moves, whatever things are attached to the rope, they will also move. So this is how the pulley works. Let us see the examples, means where the pulley is used. See here, it is very well used in villages mostly, where the people, they draw the water from the well. Okay, it becomes easy. They put the bucket, attach the bucket with the rope and then put it in the well, and easily they can draw the water. See here also this is a crane. Here also pulley is used in both the places, right? This is how pulley is used. See here. Another example of simple machine is wheel and axle, right? Now wheel and axle means this also consists of two parts, right? One is wheel. This is again a wheel, and this rod which goes in the center of the wheel, this is called axle, right? And this type of machine, this is again a simple machine and it is used in many places, right? So you will see where they are used. See here. Okay, see here, to move this is a wheelbarrow. This also you have seen, and here a child is easily moving a bag with the help of wheel and axle. See here, right? So this is how wheel and axle comes to use in simple machines to make the work easy. See, another type of simple machine is this. What is it? It is called inclined plane. Inclined means it is slanting. You see, it is not straight, it is slanting. And this also you have seen in many places. This is called inclined plane. Okay, it has a sloping surface. See, here is a slope. Okay, and this makes easy for heavy loads to be moved. Okay, this you must have seen where the vehicles also can be easily moved. Okay, and also to move the heavy loads. See here, I'll show you where it is used. See here, heavy loads are easily moved through the inclined plane. This is the inclined plane here, right? And for your fun, for your enjoyment also, you use this machine, you can say. And this is used here in the slides, in the garden, in the park. When you go to play, this is used in the slide so that you can have fun, right? See, another type of machine is screw. This is very well known and very well used. Okay, everywhere, wherever two things are to be joined, this is used. And nail is plain. Okay, nail is somewhat like this, plain, right? But in this, here grooves are present like this. You see, okay. These are the grooves. You can say they are the grooves. So this is called a screw. A screw looks like a nail, but it has got a grooves around it like this. Okay, and it helps to hold the things together. Means to join. You can say it holds the two things together. And this also is used in many places, right? Many places, in your table, on your chair, on your pencil box, everywhere. Small screws you will see, they are used. Okay, see here. Here also, this is also a screw. This is also a screw, a bigger one, right? So this is how the screw is used. Okay, it is a simple machine, and it looks like a nail, but it has grooves around it. Right, children? Okay. One more type of simple machine, and that is called wedge. Now, wedge is what you can say that it is having two inclined planes back to back. Okay, here they are joined, and it forms a sharp edge. And this is used in mostly to cut the things. Okay, it is kept, and then the hammer is put so that you can cut the things into two. Okay, in the axe you can see. Okay, see here. See here. This is a wedge. This is a wedge. It is used so that this log of a wood can be cut. Okay, so wedge is used to cut the objects, right? See here. These are again another examples of wedge. This is also a wedge. Knife. This also you know very well. Now let us do a small activity to identify the type of machine in each one, right? As you know, the different types of machine like lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, right? Now look in this picture. What a man is doing. A man is trying to lift the load. Okay, with the help of what? Yes. Try to guess it. Yes, I know you must have guessed it right. He's using the pulley, right? Here, a pulley, right? Another one. Look in the another picture. What type of machine is this? Yes, it is a screw, right? Look here. Yes, it is a screw. Another one. Look here. This also I know you must be very familiar with. You must have seen it in your kitchen, right? So what type of machine it is? Is it a pulley? Is it a lever? Is it a wedge? Is it a screw? Is it an inclined plane? Yes, you know? Shall I tell now? This is a lever. Okay, and this another one is a wedge, right? This is a wedge. See here. So next one, see here. What is this? It is a cart with the wheels. Okay, so I know you have guessed it right. It is not wedge or screw or lever. It is used. It has used a machine of wheel and barrel, right? Wheel and axle. Okay, it is wheel and axle. And in the another picture, if you see, a chair is there and it has used a inclined plane to move. Okay, so inclined plane is used to move the chair, right? See, right? So now I hope you must have understood the machines and how the work is done and what is work, right? So here I end this session. In the next session we will learn about energy. Till then, take care.